What's for dinner, Mom? Oh, nothing but some slow-cooked beef short ribs with some homemade mashed potatoes and green beans, baby. Beef ribs again? No, baby, these aren't just beef ribs. These are slow-cooked short ribs. There's a difference. These ribs are seasoned to perfection, pan-seared and slow-cooked for 8 hours. They come out juicy, tender, falling off the bone in their own gravy, with the consistency of a roast and the flavor of oxtails, giving you the best of 3 worlds. Just like you can have chicken multiple ways, you can have ribs multiple ways. You'll start off with clean and dried beef ribs that you'll season with avocado oil, lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, Hinder's wood-fired garlic seasoning. You'll also need sweet onions, green onions, brown sugar, cornstarch, rosemary, garlic, and beef broth, all of which will be added to the crock pot after you've seared your beef ribs. So let's get to it. Heat your skillet on medium high with a little of that avocado oil while you massage those seasonings into those beef ribs really, really good. Sear those ribs on each side until they're really dark because you want that seasoning cooked in there good. Now, I got 5 pounds of ribs because I need to feed my household, and at least once or twice a week, I also furnish a meal for another household just to make a little extra coin. So if you've got a lot of ribs, you're going to need to do this in batches. Take your time. You're not in no hurry. To aid in easy cleanup and to provide a tight seal, I make sure I use a slow cooker liner, and I remove the knob from the lid, and I use press and seal wrap to line the inside of the lid. This locks in all the heat and the steam and prevents any from escaping while that food is cooking. Don't take that lid off. Set that slow cooker to low, add your seared beef ribs. Then add all of the seasonings that you use to season that meat. Be generous with it. Add 2 heaping teaspoons of brown sugar, 3 cups of beef broth. You know I like to use that better than bouillon, and a little bit of cornstarch just to help thicken up that gravy. A key to prevent the residuals from the broth from adhering to the lid and making it virtually impossible to reopen it is that you use your finger on the inside of that jar to scrape off any that you've gotten on the inside rim. Clean hands are an important part of cooking. I could have cut that out, but I left it in there so that you could learn that tip. Don't judge me, judge your mammy. Pour your broth in, add your onions and your garlic. Put that lid on, creating that tight seal. And like Glorilla said, let it cook. And in 8 hours, you'll have tender, falling off the bones, slow cooked beef short ribs.
It was so good. It's so flavorful.
Oh, yes. I love to hear it.
Yes. Girl, it was good. It had me passed out on the couch, honey. Wake me up so I can go to Bible study.